Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do split screen between two different notes within the actual Notability app. And so just to clarify here, I'm not talking about doing split screen between two different apps. I'm talking about doing split screen between two notes within the Notability app. So to do this, what we want to do is have one of our notes opened. We want to be on it. And then to do the split screen, we want to slide from the left, and then we will see a list of recent notes. If you don't see the note that you want to do split screen with, then just tap on the magnifying glass icon here on the right, search up the note that you want, and you'll be able to find it easily that way. Otherwise, if it's in the recents here, or once you find the note that you want, all you need to do is tap on the note, tap and hold, and then drag it over. And it will automatically bring up the split screen here. And that's pretty much it. One thing that you do have to do is tap on the note that you want to be working on. So right now this one is live. If I wanted to work on this one over here, I would tap on it and I can edit it. The other really nice thing here is that we have complete control over the balance, the size balance between the two notes, and as well as I can bring it all the way over here. I can pinch this one out. I can zoom this one in. Okay, so this is a very, very powerful tool here. If it helped you out, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.